Get ready to uncover an amazing opportunity for making money. Step 1. Begin by visiting the Google Play Store and locating the Money Making app. Download it and create an account, providing your email and setting up a password. Step 2. Complete a quick task. Step 3. Sit back and watch your PayPal balance grow. What's even better? There are no limits to your earnings, and you can earn PayPal money from virtually anywhere. It's a completely legitimate method for working from home and making money online. It's accessible to everyone, as all that's required is a mobile phone and an internet connection. Stay tuned because we're about to unveil the secrets of this fantastic opportunity. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Let's dive right into the first app. The leading app that rewards users for playing games is the Misplay Play to Earn Reward app. You can find it on the Google Play Store, where it boasts more than 10 million downloads and 349,000 positive reviews. The process is straightforward. Select a game from their collection, play it, and then redeem gift cards for real money. They accept various options including prepaid Visa cards, Amazon gift cards, Xbox, Nintendo, PayPal, and even bank transfers. To date, they even have paid out over $51 million that they consistently reward users like you and me. You can confirm this on their website, making it a top choice among mobile gamers seeking loyalty rewards. Getting started is simple. Just download Misplay Play to Earn Reward app. Our next app is Tier Rewards. Quick cash awaits you with this, allowing you to earn money by playing games. In addition to game earnings, this app features sweepstakes, giving you a chance to win cash prizes randomly awarded to users. With 50,000 downloads and a 4.5-star rating based on 9,680,000 reviews, it may be newer but is highly rated and definitely worth trying. The official website showcases numerous rewards available, including PayPal gift cards. Now let's turn our attention to the third app, Make Money, Play and Earn Cash. This app offers entertaining games like Mario Brothers and others. They have rewarded users with over $150 million, and it's undeniably popular with 10 million downloads and 2.78 million positive reviews. As you can see, it's a compelling option. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Moving on to the next two apps, which offer even higher payouts and boast recognizable brands. The first one is Google Opinion Rewards, a Google-owned company that pays individuals for sharing their opinions on specific products and services. For example, do you prefer Starbucks coffee or making your coffee at home? You'll be presented with various unrelated questions and compensated for your responses. It's among the most popular Google Rewards apps, with 50 million downloads, a stellar 3.1 million positive reviews, a high star rating, and it's backed up by Google LLC. Now, on to our final app. This one pays users for something they already do: shopping. ProductTube rewards you via PayPal for your grocery purchases. While you're out shopping for groceries, you might receive a request to scan an item and provide a brief opinion on it. You'll be paid by the grocery store for your valuable insights. The payouts add up to millions of dollars, and the service operates in 32 countries. It's incredibly straightforward. Just sign up, record a brief video during your grocery trip, upload it, and you'll start earning money right away. Many others are already doing the same and earning money effortlessly. The app also features numerous testimonials from individuals who have successfully made money through this method. And that's a wrap! If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!